Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. I'm gonna start in a comfortable cross-legged position, and you can sit in any position that feels good for your body. Relax your shoulders, and let's drop our head back, chin to ceiling. And now tuck your chin in towards your chest, rounding your upper back. Let's do that again, so you drop your head back. And now chin to chest. One more time, drop your head back. And bring your chin to your chest as you start to walk your hands forward, coming into a forward fold. Take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose. And let it out through your mouth. We slowly rise back up. And now you're going to lean your upper body to the right and forward, and now to the left and back. You round your spine. Let's do that body circle one more time. And now let's go to the other side, doing our two body circles. Come back to center as you reach your arms up overhead. Open arm twist to the right. You send your right arm behind you, reaching your left arm forward. And now let's place that left hand on top of that right knee as you look behind you. So just looking over that right shoulder. And you come into that cross-legged forward fold, relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders, continuing to reach your arms forward. Let's slowly make our way back up, and we extend our arms up overhead again. Open arm twist to the left, reaching that left arm behind you. Right arm reaches forward. Place that right hand on the left knee. Look over your left shoulder. Come back to center as you extend your legs out in front of you. And we're going into a forward fold. Now you can stay just like this, or you can place a pillow or pillows on top of your thighs, and then you can just rest your face and your forehead down on the pillow if that feels a little bit better. And maybe you reach for the toes. All right, let's make our way into a tabletop position, coming onto our hands and knees. If being on your knees feels uncomfortable, you can always do what I'm doing, which is placing a pillow under each knee. We're in our tabletop position and we arch our back, looking up for cow pose. And now round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest for cat pose. Again, cow pose. And cat pose. One more time, cow pose. And cat pose. Relax your spine as you thread the needle, sending your right arm behind the left wrist. So we just lower down onto that right shoulder. Let's do that on the other side. So you come back to tabletop and then you slide your left arm behind your right wrist. Come back into tabletop and let's remove the pillows from underneath our knees. We're gonna go into our half pigeon with the right leg. However you get there is fine, but that right leg is bent and it's in front, and then that back leg is behind. And now you can stay up or you can go into your sleeping pigeon, lowering your upper body down. And this is just going to open your hips. So if you have back pain, sometimes you have tight hips, and this is going to help you with that. Let's come back up and do that on the other side. We come out of our pigeon and we're actually going to make our way onto our belly. Hands are close to the ribs as you come into your cobra, pressing into the palms, straightening your arms as much as you feel comfortable with, and maybe you drop your head back. You can move the shoulders around. And we come into our child's pose. Let's keep the knees close together on this child's pose, and then sit your hips back onto your heels, walking your fingertips forward. We end by taking a deep breath, breathing in through our nose, and let it out. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.